Alright, replacing the motor assembly in the door. So first of all, y'all, everybody know that you basically need to take off your door panel, you know what I'm saying, depending on the type of car you got. This 99 Grand Marquis LS. So basically, take off your door panel, and what we're replacing is this mechanism here, which controls the up and down motion of the door. You know, got the motor included. It's just a snap-on wire or electrical plug that you link to that. But this is basically going behind the door right here. Once it reaches behind the door, it's going to connect to 4 bolts. It's that easy, you know. So you have a bolt right there at the top, you got a bolt right there, and then at the bottom here you're going to have 2 more bolts right here, and that's just basically, as you can see, you got enough arm room to stick your arm up in there and, you know, prop it against this panel here. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Now once you complete that, you have your motor here, which has another, it only has 2 bolts, so you'll put one here and you'll put one there at the bottom, and those will go here. One will go here, 1, and one will go here, 2, and that will mount the motor to the door. So you have the frame mounted by these 2 bolts here, and you have the motor mounted by these 2 bolts, which coincide with the bolts right here once it's on the inside of the door. And once you do that, you have this plug here that you connect to this plug. Alright, that's step 1. This is the next step in installing the Grand Marquis driver's side door motor assembly. Okay, to keep you from struggling with this right here, because look, believe me, before I start filming, I was struggling, but I had to show you how to do it as soon as I figured out the easiest way to do it. So this is the back plate, which bolts to, we have actually 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, and it bolts here, so it'll be 1, 2, and 1. Well, it's actually 1, 2, and the third one is there, so it's 3 that bolts to that. That's just like a straight bolt with a bolt and a nut. It's nothing that you have to have 2 pairs of pliers for it to tighten it up. It basically tightens up on its own. If it doesn't, you'll use a small pair of pliers or something just to hold it back, but nothing too serious to bolt it down. Now the top one's here. These bolts are used for the top, so it's 2 different bolts. The ones at the bottom will look similar to a through bolt, which I don't actually know where I placed them at, but they're similar to a through bolt, which is a bolt and a nut. You know, that's it. These one specifically goes to the top here. That's like a bolt with a washer that goes right here in these sections right here. So I'll be right back and show you the process. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, mind y'all, feel like a little storm about to roll through. So I'm right in between the storm, the showers that's coming through. But yeah, same time at hand, I need a window, or I'm gonna put plastic on it again for night 5. Plastic window, Grand Marquis. So ugly and tacky. Other than that, okay, so these are the screws that goes on top. Like I said, I installed the mechanism that rolls the window up and down with the motor that's behind this, which I have to put the bolts in. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put one of these bolts in now to show you. It's a bolt like this, which is a standard through bolt. There ain't nothing special. But you basically Alright, I'm back. Okay. Okay, so I got the motor installed, the motor and the assembly to move the window up and down. It was basically 1, 2, 3, 4. Excuse me, rusty hands, but that's what you do. When you do it yourself, your hand's supposed to look like that. Then you got 1, 2, 3, 4 here for the motor, which sits right there. So that's how it looks in the back. That's how it looks there, in which that is just the motor and the assembly that moves the window up and down on this device here, which I'll be showing you next. I'm about to unbox the glass. Also clean out your the tracks, which are, excuse me, the tracks for the window are right here. Gotta clean that out. What you get, you know what I'm saying? Got a little glass. Gotta clean all that out right quick. Other than that, be right back. Okay, now when installing the glass, you're gonna have to remove this seal here, which is actually preventing you from putting the glass in safely because it's a tight seal, the weather sealing here. So you have to remove this weather sealing, which, pops up like this, no screws or nothing. It's actually in the channel there, so you have to wiggle it around, pop it out. I ain't want that glass out here. But yeah, you pop that out, then you'll be able to insert the glass because you'll have enough room to meet it up with the track. Leaving yourself some hand room to, brace it while you screw it in to those brackets there. That's one, and that's the other one on the other side there. That's the motor assembly. Alright, update on the window project that I was started on last night, but got a little too late, windy. It was a little rainy, so I had to stop. But all in all, I got it done. See it in operation here. Up. It goes all the way up. It's so clear, it's glass. That's what you call real glass house. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the rest of the tint on the rest of the windows. And yeah, so do it yourself. I would say the biggest task was to get that other bolt that's right there. It's like on the back side of this glass here on this bracket here, but it's a hard bolt to get to. I'll just put it like that. Other than that, it was an easy install with the glass. And, you take the glass and you point it down from the outside. You point it down, front side down, and you let it in from there. That's the method you use. Okay, so if you're replacing this glass, you're going to take it front side on the outside, front side pointing down until you get the glass all the way down to where you can evenly pull it back up straight. So that's how you'll be operating that. Alright, thanks, Sean. Grand Marquis, 1999. Window replacement, motor, and assembly.